In most competitive exams, generally, there are 50 questions to be solved in 60 minutes. Each question roughly takes about 4 calculations. That makes it around 200 calculations in a single hour. If it takes you 30 seconds to make one calculation, you will solve 30 questions. With 80% accuracy, your score will be 22.5. Slight improvement in your calculation speed, taking 24 seconds for a calculation, means you attempt 37 questions. Even with a slight dip in accuracy, your score is higher. At 15 seconds per calculation, you can solve all 50 questions, and even with just 70% accuracy, and voila! Your score skyrockets. So faster you calculate, better results you get. And we all know that a small difference in marks means a great difference in ranking. That's why faster calculations are important. To learn how to speed up your maths, join our Speed Maths workshop. Click on the link below to register for a free demo session.